Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make gluten-free matcha shortbread cookies. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a seal pan. Sift the powdered sugar if it's clumpy. In a bowl, sift together rice flour and matcha powder. Pulse the macadamia nuts until they become small pieces. Set aside. Add the chopped macadamia nuts into the rice flour mixture. Place the unsalted butter in a food processor and process until smooth and creamy. Add the powdered sugar, vanilla paste, and salt, and continue mixing until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. This step helps create the classic tender, melt-in-your-mouth shortbread texture. Add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture and process until evenly distributed. In this recipe, the macadamia nuts are used to add extra flavor to the cookies. However, you can omit the nuts and substitute with rice flour. Transfer the dough into a bowl and knead until it becomes uniform. Roll the dough between two pieces of plastic wrap until the thickness is 1.5 centimeters or 0.6 inches. Cut out the dough with a knife. This time I cut it into sticks, but you can also use a cookie cutter. Repeat the same process for the remaining of the dough. Refrigerate them for about 30 minutes or place them in a freezer for about 10 minutes until firm. Chilling the dough helps the cookies keep their shape when they are baked. Place them on a prepared baking sheet. Use a fork to prick the dough. Bake them for about 20 minutes or until the cookies are completely baked inside without any moist spots. Let them cool completely. Chop the macadamia nuts into small pieces. Melt the white chocolate in a double boiler slowly. Put the melted white chocolate into a piping bag. Matcha powder is very sensitive to heat and light The best place to store these cookies is a refrigerator in an airtight container. Decorate the shortbread cookies with the white chocolate and chopped macadamia nuts. These matcha shortbread cookies are delicious on their own. You can also skip the white chocolate and macadamia nuts decoration if you prefer. You can keep these cookies for up to a week in a refrigerator or a few months in a freezer. I hope you enjoy making these delicious gluten-free matcha shortbread cookies and sharing them with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcpine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.